Ito na ang ating ube turon. Ube. Purple sweet potatoes. I am done peeling the purple sweet potato and I'm going to put 1.5 tablespoon of butter. This is unsalted. And I'm going to use meat smasher, pang durog lang. I'm going to put ube flavoring. Powerful kasi ito, guys. Konti lang. There you go. I'm done. I'm going to put it in freezer para medyo tumigas lang siya. Para pag nilagay natin sa wrapper, hindi ganun mag-moist. I hope my daughter will like it. Cheese, saging, yung ube natin ginawa, and the wrapper. Ang ating DIY na ube halaya. And the cheese. Ang ingay ng anak ko. Kailangan mahigpit. So ito yung nagawa nating ube turon. Maganda sana to i-prito pag medyo na frozen na siya. Kaso gusto ko na siyang matikman. And kung successful ba to. Kasi medyo parang feeling ko hindi lalabas yung feelings dahil medyo watery yung nagawa kong halaya. Pero let's see. Nakagawa ako ng total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 pieces. So this is turon, ube turon, na may saging, na may ube halaya, na may cheese. So let's see. May natira pala akong halaya. So palaman-palaman. Lagay ko sa ref. So I'm going to use just a small pan para mas malalim. Konti lang yung mantika na magamit natin. Ito lang. Ang bango, grabe. Ang bango. Tapos na, luto na siya. Let's try it. Ito na ang ating ube turon. My husband will try it first. Since he's already Filipino by the heart. Go. Show it the camera.
It's nice and hot.
The banana.
The bananas there.
Okay.
Okay, well, maybe bite the middle. Hot.
Hot.
But very good.
Really good.
Mm-hmm.
How's the sweetness?